KSI Data Research, a wonder in IT, launched in Canada and America in 2018 and is successfully providing skills and job assistance in IT courses. KSI Data Research offers timely courses in data analytics, Python for machine learning, software testing, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking, web development and design, digital marketing, graphics design, video editing, and content making. Founder and CEO of KSI Data Research, Khandekar Rizal Islam, is a Canadian citizen of Bangladeshi origin. He introduced KSI in Bangladesh to improve information technology in Bangladesh out of love and a sense of responsibility towards his country. KSI Data Research provides students with international quality education and global job support with global certificates. KSI Data Research also provides many services such as IT consulting services, global quality IT courses, business analysis and prediction, software testing, software development, software design, website maintenance, web design and redesign, creating skilled offshore teams, advertisement, North America visa consultancy, etc. To learn more, visit www.ksiDataResearch.com.